Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make dhokla at home. First, combine 1 cup of gram flour with 1/4 cup of semolina in a bowl. Next, add 1 teaspoon of ginger green chili paste and a pinch of turmeric for color and flavor. Then, mix in 1 cup of sour yogurt and 1/4 cup of water until you have a smooth batter. Finally, let this batter ferment for at least 8 hours in a warm spot. Once your batter is fermented, prepare for steaming. First, grease a 9-inch round or square pan with a thin layer of oil to prevent sticking. Next, gently stir 1 teaspoon of fruit salt into the fermented batter. You'll see it become frothy. Immediately pour this activated batter into your greased pan. Finally, steam the dhokla for 15 to 20 minutes over medium heat until a toothpick comes out clean. Now, let's prepare the flavorful tempering that elevates the dhokla. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a small pan over medium heat. Add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and let them splutter, releasing their aroma. Next, stir in 1/4 teaspoon of asafoetida and a few fresh curry leaves. Finally, pour 1/4 cup of water and 2 teaspoons of sugar into the pan, bringing it to a gentle boil. For the grand finale, pour the hot tempering evenly over your freshly steamed dhokla, ensuring every piece gets coated. Garnish generously with 2 tablespoons of fresh, chopped coriander leaves for a burst of color and flavor. By the way, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Finally, cut the dhokla into 2-inch square pieces and serve warm with your favorite chutney. Enjoy this delicious homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.